In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many. But what if the key to feeling better was as simple as changing the way you breathe? The way we breathe can significantly impact our stress levels and overall well-being. Proper breathing techniques can activate our body's natural relaxation response, counteracting the effects of the fight-or-flight stress response. Deep breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. It increases oxygen flow, improving circulation and overall bodily functions. Regular practice can even help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. Let's start with diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, feeling your belly rise. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, letting your belly fall. With regular practice, you'll notice a significant reduction in stress and anxiety. Next, let's explore box breathing, a technique used by Navy SEALs to stay calm under pressure. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. Repeat this cycle. This technique helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure, while also improving focus and reducing anxiety. The 4-7-8 breathing technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, is excellent for relaxation and sleep. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, then exhale forcefully through your mouth for 8 seconds. This helps reduce anxiety and can be particularly effective in promoting better sleep. Lastly, let's explore mindfulness meditation with breath awareness. Find a comfortable position and focus your attention on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath at the tip of your nose or your upper lip. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase your practice time. Regular breathwork practice offers numerous physical health benefits, enhances mental clarity and focus, and builds emotional resilience. It can also foster a deeper sense of connection with yourself and the world around you. Which technique resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below.